Hi everybody, I'm Helena.
And I'm Nelia.
We are the Financial Divas.
So welcome to our fall series, and this series is all about falling back in love with your money.
Given that we are in the fall season, what a perfect timing. Let's look at the last quarter of your finances. How do you actually look at your finances? How do you see yourself? Do you actually look at your spending habits? How do you do it? Do you actually do it weekly? Do you do it monthly? Do you do it quarterly? Or do you do it yearly?
Or never.
Or never, right? So this season is actually very intense for spending because there's a lot of holidays coming up, and are you ready to see how much money you will be spending, or are you going to rely on a credit card? If that's the case,
which credit card are you going to choose? MasterCard, Visa, or American Express? How about be smart with your money and think about really where should it go?
Or how about create a budget? So you could actually, you're not going to be in the credit card, using the credit card where you actually have the money, and but do your Christmas shopping, buy the turkey, things like that, right?
That's right. Don't be a turkey. Save like Scrooge. And give like Santa. I'm just kidding.
Daily spending could be a really, really bad habit, and people actually don't even know of like how much money goes into just
a cup of coffee.
Let's say you spend $5 buying a coffee, because nowadays you won't spend less than that, right? And it's a daily. Let's say you do it just once a day. If you actually calculate, did you know that in a whole decade you would give whatever company that it's your favorite coffee, you would give $18,000.
That's a lot of coffees.
That's a lot of money.
I could have a brand new car.
Absolutely.
I could save for my kids' education.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh,
10 years.
I could pay off my credit card bill or some money on my mortgage. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? That is amazing. That's an amazing tip. So the tip of the week for everyone out there that's following us is, why not have one less coffee? We're not telling you to go without your coffee a day, but I know some of you are drinking more than one cup of coffee a day.
Always make some coffee.
So just make
at home.
Exactly. Have a coffee at home and drink one less, and think of that $5, one less a day. It's $18,000 that you could do so much with. You could go on that amazing holiday. You could save for your kids' education. You could pay down your debt. So many things. So really, it's really simple. And
what else are you spending money on? And this is where we're here. We're here to help you see where is your money going, because you work hard for your money, but we want to make sure that your money works hard for you.
Because everybody can be financially free.
Absolutely.
So contact us for more tips, for more help, for a financial plan.
Call us. We love you all. See you next video.
Stay tuned as our fall series continues every Wednesday with a new video. So follow us on all social media.
As the seasons change, so can your spending habits.
You can be financially free.